Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we are going to study about iterative statements in Python. That is our new chapter. So in the previous lesson you reviewed the basic concepts of Python, its functions, operators and conditional statements. In this chapter you will learn about the iterative statements. In a program there are situations where we have to repeat one or more statements many times. This repetition can be carried out using loops in programming. Let us understand the concept of a loop with the help of a real-life example. Suppose your instructor instructs you to run and take 5 rounds of the playground to warm up. Before you start running, you fix a starting point. On reaching the final starting point again, you complete 1 round. Then you take the second round and so on. This way, you keep track of the number of rounds until the process of taking round gets completed. Now, let us analyze the above example using programming to understand looping. Let us say the control variable is C. In this example, we will take the initial value of C as 0. When you complete the first round, the value of C becomes 1. After the second round, its value becomes C is equal to C plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and so on. The value will get incremented each time the process repeats. After incrementing, the control variable C will be checked against the maximum number of the repetitions, which is 5 in this case. Let us understand this example with the help of a flowchart. So here is an example. This process will continue until the value of C becomes 5. It means the loop will continue for 5 times and then it will terminate. This advantage of using the looping technique in programming is that it reduces the number of instructions and also memory space. Let's know more. A control variable in a loop is used to store the initial value and gets incremented after every loop to reach its final value. A control value is also known as the counter variable. Iterative statements. The statements that keep repeating themselves as long as a given condition is true are called iterative statements or repetitive statements. As soon as the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. These are also called looping statements or simply loops. So that is all for today. Now we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.